friends, I'm Aubrey and this is Crybaby Cinnamon Homestead. Today we're going to be opening 2 packages of seeds. One of them I put in a previous video, but I pulled that one down because I apparently showed my address or something. I don't know, I forget the word. I doxed myself. That's bad. I had to pull it down, so I had to put this back up again. I have 2 packages to share with you today. Super excited about them because I am interested in planting these indoors and having them for ornamental and aromatherapy purposes. Let's get to it and see what I got. What mail did I get here? I'm thinking it's seeds, but I'm not quite sure what it is. Maybe it was, did I buy it from somebody on Etsy? I don't know. Yes, it is. It's my Ling Ling. Oh, wow, cool. All right, got 5 Ling Ling tree seeds. Sweet. Okay, my plan with these is bonsai. Has anyone ever done bonsai with, did you say it Ling Ling? Do you hear the Y? I'm not sure. Yeah, so cool. Really cool. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they give me exactly the right number of seeds. No bonus seeds. So sad. Sun. So 1/2 inch deep. And it can grow really big. But it's slow germinating. It might be a slow grower. I'll have to look into some more information on this. I kind of bought it impulsively. I love the idea of bonsai. I'm not sure how reasonable it is to think I'm going to grow this as a bonsai. I guess we'll find out. So I need to quickly look and see, do I need to plant these right away or can I save them till I have time? So again, this is my Ling Ling. And I found these on Etsy. I'm excited about these because I've been wanting to grow this plant for a really long time. And yes, you can find seeds like this on Etsy. These are lotus. And I'm going to be planting these. At first I thought I'd plant them in a really large aquarium. But I think I'm just going to plant them in pitchers. So I'm going to get some Dollar Tree pitchers and plant some in my classroom and at home and see how they go. But I think I need to do it right away because usually seeds that grow in water usually don't like to dry out. That's been my experience. If you have any experience growing lotus from seed, would you comment below? I'd love any advice you want to give me because I've never grown lotus before. The reason why I want to grow them is for the dried flower seed heads because those look so cool in dried arrangements. I just think that would be beautiful. So right here you can kind of see that's like the shape of it, but they are brown. They have some bouquets at like Costco that actually have those dried seed heads. And one time I found a seed in it, but it was like all shriveled up. So I don't think that's viable. Anyway, these look very supple. They look like they're going to be very great. And I'm going to give them a try. I'm so excited about growing lotus. I've never done it before, you guys. And I've wanted to for so long. I don't know. I've always thought of it as kind of like a luxury. Like when I first started gardening, I only planted things that were edible or medicinal. I never planted anything that was just for beauty or aesthetics. So this is for aesthetics. And I'm going to grow it as a house plant. And yeah, super excited. It should be really beautiful. I'm hoping they will actually produce those beautiful seed heads. Not just the foliage and the flowers, but actually get the seed heads as well. That would be really neat. So that's my plan for dried arrangements. I'm also going to be planting a lot of other flowers like, what are they called? Basket flower, and what else? I'm thinking like dried arrangements. What would look particularly beautiful in a dried arrangement? Comment below if you have any suggestions for dried arrangements. Oh, pussy willow. I love those in a dried arrangement. So I thought it would be really nice to start making more things from scratch, like actual like crafting materials. So I thought it'd be really neat making your own bouquets and wreaths and garlands and stuff like that would be really neat. So comment below, what is your favorite flower or plant material for a dried arrangement? I'm excited about the ling ling. It sounds really beautiful. It's supposed to smell incredible, like really exotic and aromatic, and maybe a little spicy scent to it too. I've been told that the lotus smell kind of like fruity, maybe like a cucumber. I'm not sure. I've never smelled it before, but I'm really into aromatherapy, and I'm very sensitive to smells, which means I love things to smell wonderful. Like right out here, I have got some rosemary growing and some lavender, and I just really love things to smell nice. So the ling ling should be smell really, really neat, and so should the lotus. So different kind of scents going on there, but it only makes sense to grow things that smell good. Another reason why I'm excited about growing this is because I do want to get more into bonsai and growing miniature versions of things I really want to grow large and huge. Like I want to grow a bonsai. Well, I want to do carob trees, but I also want to do, okay, I keep spacing on this one. They're really thick trunks, really thick white trunks. I always, whenever I try to like draw a picture or paint something of a tree, I always draw this. It's like a giant, thick, wide trunk. What is it? I didn't hear you. No, that's not it. Thick, wide trunk. Baobab. There we go. Thank you. Thank you for helping me. So the baobab tree. So like I'd love to grow baobab in a bonsai culture. And the other thing is growing the lotus plants. It's a kind of hydroponics. So I think that'd be really cool. Growing these two different plants is a different kind of technique. You got the bonsai going, trying to make it smaller than usual. Planting a really large, could be a 60-foot tree, but you're going to grow it inside, grow it really small, and air prune it, the roots, so that it stays nice and small. So I love it. Blending all these different ways of gardening. Another bonsai I want to try is to do a Joshua tree. I just think that'd be beautiful. Have you ever been to see the Joshua trees in California? That's something I've always wanted to do. I think that'd be really beautiful. So I definitely want to do Joshua trees and baobab and the ling ling. So that would be really fun to grow some bonsais. And then planting the lotus in an aquaponics, hydroponics kind of scenario will work really nice. I don't really want to invest in a lot of big tanks. I don't know if a pitcher is deep enough. Will you guys comment below if you have experience growing lotus? Do you think like a Dollar Tree size pitcher will be big enough to grow a lotus plant? All right, everybody. You know what I say at the end of my videos. Be good, be sweet, grow a garden if you want to eat, and I will see you next time. I'm enjoying the weather. It's a little bit rainy outside, but look at that beautiful rainbow. One of the things I like to remind myself is no rain, no rainbows. You got to enjoy the blessings in life with the hardships that came before them. God bless you. I hope you're having a wonderful day.